Day 185 of 3D modeling and printing every day for 365 days straight. My dog's been wandering off a lot lately, so today I'm printing something to make sure I always know where she is. It's an AirTag attachment for her collar that's split into two parts. The housing that holds the AirTag snug, which also has a cutout for the collar, then a screw on the back that sandwiches the collar in between. I made it easily swappable or removable by giving it a groove with the same profile as a penny, and I think it looks great. I should definitely reprint this out of some TPU, but this is a good prototype. This may be a bit more comfortable for a bigger dog with a wider neck, but she didn't seem to mind too much. Now I'll know where to look when she runs off. Anyways, stick around for day 186.